Hi, this is Hershey Manzano. Rochelle Lopez, bringing you LMC news and current events.
Before the details, let us glance at the news headlines for me.
Lorma strives and shines at 89.
Effective training strengthens employees' work performance.
Lorma Medical Center develops emergency preparedness and response.
Lorma employees boost mental health.
Disaster readiness a priority. The hypertension campaign combats the rising number of high blood pressure cases.
LMC supports CHIKITIng LIGTAS vaccination campaign.
Lorma strives and shines at 89. To commemorate the legacy of its esteemed founders, Lorma Medical Center celebrated its 89th year foundation anniversary last May 9 to 12, 2023. Among the activities prepared this year included our Symposium on Stroke, Diabetes and Cervical Cancer, Free Circumcision, Free Medical and Smile Train Consultations, the Lorma Color Run, the Lorma Got Talent, Lorma Life Check opening at the Robinsons Malls, and the groundbreaking ceremony of the Lorma Cancer Institute. The Lorma family commends President and Hospital Administrator Mr. Robert F. Kaiser for his leadership that made the 89th year foundation celebration a success. Despite the challenges faced during the pandemic, Lorma Medical Center continues to strengthen its foundation of work relationship and devotion to service. May the coming years be filled with a new level of success and many more milestones ahead.
Thank you, Hershey. Next news in line. Effective training strengthens employees' work performance. Find out more after a short commercial break.
Lorma Medical Center recently acquired a Fujifilm Amulet Innovality FDR MS3500 Innovation and Quality Mammography.
This is the result of Lorma Medical Center's ongoing innovation and commitment to providing top-quality women's imaging services. Fujifilm provides a range of mammography solutions designed to maintain a harmonious examination environment and to foster an atmosphere of trust. Dynamic visualization capability for mammography provides high-contrast images without saturation in the breast region. This machine allows patients to relax and perform with less stress. Advanced tomosynthesis biopsy system in both vertical and lateral approaches are possible. The fully flexible system is designed to support patient positioning for various types of exams.
Effective training strengthens employees' work performance. Last May 9, a training for all employees was held to ensure a more effective and productive workforce. Included in the training are the ISO 9001-2015 awareness, led by Ms. Melo Nisperos, Service Excellence Program, led by Mr. Lawrence Tamayo, Hospital Waste Management, led by Engineer Robert Gonzalez, and Data Privacy and Confidentiality Orientation, CBT, led by Ms. Rhea Joy Buado.
Lorma Medical Center develops emergency preparedness and response. Preparation for casualty and recovery response is essential, especially in healthcare facility. Last May 18, the CDRRMO conducted an emergency response and disaster management organizational review to ensure employees' preparedness in unforeseen disasters and calamities. The event was led by Ms. Julianne B. Hipona, registered nurse of the CDRRM office. Employees from different departments collaborated in various activities to retrace their roles and responsibilities during emergencies. By being well-informed and prepared, employees can help minimize the impact of disaster in the workplace and in the community.
Lorma employees boost mental health. A training on mental health was conducted last May 22 at the Rufino Hall to encourage a healthy mindset geared towards productivity in the professional and personal lives of the employees. Mr. Peter Resurrection, a licensed psychologist and psychometrician, delivered essential knowledge which empowered employees in managing their overall mental health.
Disaster readiness a priority. The San Fernando City Bureau of Fire Protection conducted a fire and earthquake drill at the Rufino Hall last May 23. Appropriate knowledge and proper execution of drills for unwanted disasters and calamities in the workplace were addressed by the fire marshals and officers during the training. A simulation activity was conducted to assess the effectiveness and efficiency of the hospital during disasters. Lorma Medical Center remains faithful in its commitment to keep patients, employees, and other stakeholders through its program on disaster management. Coming up next, the hypertension campaign combats the rising number of high blood pressure cases. Find out more after the break.
The Life Check Clinic at Robinson's Place La Union is now officially open for patients. It is staffed by a full-time physician, space for patient reception, patient examination rooms, X-ray, ultrasound, and ECG.
The hypertension campaign combats the rising number of high blood pressure cases. A hypertension campaign was launched by Lorma Medical Center and the Lorma Community Development Foundation Incorporated last May 24, 2023 at Barangay Ilocano Sur to combat the rising number of hypertension cases in the community. This year's theme was Know Your Numbers. Activities such as free vital signs and hemoglucose test, blood assessment, a free assessment on hypertension, and distribution of free medicines and multivitamins were conducted to promote management and prevention. Volunteers from the Department of Family and Internal Medicine and nursing students of Lorma colleges contributed to the success of the event. The Lorma family commends the marketing department for initiating this activity. With Lorma Medical Center, hypertension control is within your reach.
Access to life-saving vaccines was provided through the Department of Health's vaccination campaign entitled CHIKITING LIGTAS 2023. Lorma Medical Center joined the mission to vaccinate children against measles, rubella, and polio. The event was held last May 26 to 29, 30 to 31, and is extended until June 15, 2023. Lorma Medical Center commits to building long-term support and awareness for immunization to protect every child.
That's it for this edition of the LMC News and Current Events.
More updates on Lorma Medical Center's Facebook page and website.
See you again in our next broadcast. This has been Rochelle Lopez.
This is Aaron Troy Dugusin.
And this is Hershey Manzano. Thank you for watching. Lorma Medical Center,
Remarkable services,
Exceptional care.